On Saturday we went for a day trip. At first we went to a nice farmer's market. There was a lot of produce, and we bought some fresh vegetables and fruits. Oh, interesting candle. Have you ever tried boiled peanuts? They taste like beans to me. I got hungry and I ate a cucumber. After that we drove further and we went to hike on Yonah Mountain, a beautiful park. The hike wasn't easy. On the way up the mountain, we saw 4 snakes. I'm glad they weren't venomous. We ended up only going halfway because the trail was so long, rocky and steep. But the view was beautiful. On the way back home, we stopped at an outlet. It was a great day.